Hello everyone, this video for Ford Focus show me questions. If you're willing to have your driving test soon and using Ford Focus, I believe Ford Fiesta not that big different, most likely the same. So we'll cover quickly here. The first question you might be asked, please turn on the front demister here, exactly the place. You can just press gently here, and rear demister, the second question here. Remember, it will be one show me, one tell me. So either you'll be asked front demister or rear demister. You don't have, like most of my students sometimes feel like they want to turn it off immediately after on. No, you don't need to do that. You just simply click like that and leave it. You don't have to switch it off. Jump quickly for the second or the third question is how to wash and clean the front window. Just simply that side, not this side, because that related to light and we'll talk about it later. So you just grab it toward you like this wash and clean, push ahead, the rear window, wash and clean again. So front window wash and clean, you just grab it toward you, rear window wash and clean, push forward to wash and clean. And then we go to the lights questions. At the moment, this is the part which is right hand side of the steering. I'll go back a little bit to cover it. Right hand side, so you go now, it's off, no light at all. Once you switch it to the right, one tick like this is the headlight, and you can see it in some cars come like this, headlight. And then come back again. What about depth headlight? One more. So from the beginning, examiner asking you, would you please turn on the depth headlight? So depth headlight is 1, 2. As one only is the headlights, all right? So again, headlight, depth headlight. Then, what if I ask it to turn on the front fog light? We must switch on to depth headlight 2. Again, 1, 2. Then this little button on top is the front fog light. If I switch it off, no fog light. If I switch everything off, no lights at all, no illuminated green light down there. So again, 1, 2, this is the depth headlight. You can see shiny here and big on the car image as lighting on. And then if I want to go to front fog light, just the top one. What about the rear fog light? The one in the back. So press the bottom one like this and you can see the illumination here. So again, if I press the rear fog light off, you will not see this amber. And again, if I press the front fog light off, you won't see this amber. Everything off like that. Now, the last one related to light. If you ask it to turn on the main or the full beam, the main beam, as exactly we used to do to turn on the front and rear fog light, 1, 2. Then we come here to that part that we said will come in soon to left hand side from the driving wheel steering. So we press like this, you push once like that, and you find this symbol or this illuminated light, a blue color coming. So again, if you want to switch it off, one more like that. Some people say that is using for flashing. Don't grab it toward you, don't grab it like this. You just push one push ahead like this. That will be enough to turn it on. Switch off everything, back again here, switching off everything. Quick one before I go off this last question is main beam. Usually the examiner will ask you when or what is the condition to use the full beam or the main beam. We used to study in the theoretical test, we say main beam is the most powerful light for the car, and mainly it dazzles because the direction of the light will be like going everywhere, ups, down, not only depth on the main road. So the condition is if the road has no lights at all. So if you're driving at night time and no lights at all. And the second condition is no oncoming traffic facing you. So you can see sometimes people using it when they have like 300 yards or 3 meters ahead with no car coming down in front of them, and then switch it off and switch it back again. This is how we used to use the main beam and full beam. This condition, 2 conditions to use it. So let's switch off this everything here. What else? Yeah, using the horn, I think that is easy and obvious. You can see the symbol here, the two symbols saying the horn. If I press like that, I will not do it now to not annoy the neighbor. So pressing the horn, just apply your hand like this and press gently. That is how you press the horn. Another very easy question and simple. Sometimes people get distracted. How you open your side window here to control the 4 windows. So the last one or the top one on the right, this is your window, and then up. So you just need to press down like that. That is the windows.